Hey guys, I'm Igor, the builder of TinyAdz, and I want to show you how the TinyAdz actually works for unicorn platform directory monetization. It would be probably not that short video, but it will explain all the aspects. So I have a directory. I built it together with one of product builder as well. And this stuff is pretty standard. So we have the table, like in Google Sheet, and we have the page that's linked to this Google Sheet, etc., and we have a form. And this form is linked to another Google Sheet, and we just manually copy data from this Google Sheet and paste it into the directory Google Sheet. So the thing here is that first of all, we have no way to monetize this, right? So we need to ask for payments manually. And another thing is that we need to do this manually again, even if it would be free listing. So let's try to improve this. Let's try to make it fully automated, and let's make it possible to just burn something out of this without our zero involvement. This is how monetizer works, monetization for directory works. So all we need to do is basically get started here. So we just start on TinyAdz. We provide our URL. It's like onboarding that you need to pass. And this allows you to get some kind of potential advertisers. It's like just beta thing. So we work on the actual model for ads. Stripe, save progress. And now I'm going to be redirected to where I can actually connect all the stuff. So I need to connect Google Drive. I need to pick the files that I want to be integrated with. So in my case, it's this file. And I also need to basically submit the form. So the file, which is scraper tools, correct. And there we need to provide some details. So it's basically the message that I get from you as soon as you publish or submit the form. And I would really love if there would be information about the pricing policy, some kind of nuances that your directory has over the rest. So I try to provide some suggestions of what you can include here, but it's still up to you. So I just write here 15 year months, or sorry, you're listing forever. And I will press let's go. So now I actually get a message in my Discord channel, so I'm notified. And now I need to do some manual work as for now to generate a script that could be installed to my directory. Yep, I did it. And I now need to do just a few things. So I need to go to this page and just insert one more section, which is custom HTML, which is at the very bottom. And I need to pick a date and just put the script here, straightforward. And I also choose a black color to make it a little bit better. That's pretty it. So if I open the page now, I should be getting the form at the bottom. Oh, sorry, it's loaded. Yeah, this is form that I built. So basically we ask for email, title, details of the tools that we want to publish, some logo, and we also ask for the payment. And I will go with free listing this time, but yeah, let's go with this one, actually, with the payment one. So it's straightforward. Yeah, you can see the branding, which is coming directly from the onboarding flow. So as soon as we get onboarded with the favicon, etc., we fetch this data and we show this automatically here. And all I need to do here is basically provide some contact details, and then I can pay with card. There is two options how you can pay with cards. By default, it's TinyAdz Stripe account, and you can pay through TinyAdz, but there should be some commission. And you can also connect your own Stripe account, then it will be zero commission from TinyAdz because there is no price for us, and we are in beta right now, so that's why it's free. We don't do this right now, we just place a test order. So admins of the directory, they able to do a test payments or dummy. This way they actually can also submit listings directly to the file without manual work. So I'll do this test order. That's it. So it's all scraper tools, listing, blah, blah, blah. So all successful payment. We kind of pay, we did not. That's all. So we submitted the listing. And now if you go to in Google Drive, there would be some content here that we just submitted. There would be image as well, so everything would be here. And if you go to the page, I guess I need to reload it to get some fresh data. Web scraper, it's not here, but if I search for it this way, yeah, here we are. All right, so it has been added actually here. So everything worked as expected. And yeah, we potentially can add some featuring form here as well, as it did done on MVP Wizards. And there is different other options, but the other thing that else is possible to do is editing, right? So as soon as somebody submitted a form here, quite often they ask to changes. I mean, some description or title issue or something like this. So there is no need to do this manually again. They just go to here. If they're not located, they would be asked to register for sure here. And all we need to do. So let's try this in action as well. Let's just write 1, 2, 3 here, submit changes. Let's see if it worked. And yes, it worked pretty fine, as you can see. Yeah, everything is here. So yeah, it's possible to use the tool this way as well. So yeah, if I go now to admin part of it, I mean, as an admin of the directory, it's different one. I will add a toggle somewhere. It's not here yet. it should be possible to just open the submissions and also see what has been submitted, who has been paid for it, and I would also add some information about what the paid. Yeah, that's all. That's how it works. It's kind of like enough to onboard first users. And what we're doing right now, we are onboarding first users to learn from you, to understand what's the best setup to get onboarded faster, what kind of automation we want to make, etc., etc. So yeah, thank you very much. And hopefully you find it useful for your setup. And just let me know. I will onboard you. Thanks.